Good morning, dear friends and followers. For those who don't know me yet, I'm Guy Laurando. I'm the author of The Science of Getting Loved by Yourself and Others that you'll find on Amazon Kindle. Today, my subject is going to be desire for control. You see, what are you? At the center there, every one of us, including me, lives at the center of everything that surrounds him. What do you have to surround yourself with? With competitors or collaborators? With people that will criticize you or promote you? This is the key. But in fact, when you don't know what you are, or you pretended not to be, it's very deceiving. Or you're pretending to be something else than what you are. When it comes the time to perform, you get deceptions. You deceive the people around you. What are you? What do you love to do? You see, a heart beats because that's what it does. I'm a speaker. That's what I love to do. And I speak all the time. You see, what happens is the people that hate it will be repulsed away from my vibrations. You see, my vibration will repulse them. But what's going to happen? Universe abhors emptiness. You see, you cannot stop doing something without doing something else. It's impossible. You have to replace a habit by another habit. Universe abhors emptiness. The do not exist. You have to, if you want to get out of a situation, you have to enter another one. You cannot stop existing. You have to move on, becoming something else. So this is about the puzzle. When I'm telling you you're at the center of everything that surrounds you, what do you have to keep in mind when you need to have people around you? What you need to keep in mind is the center of your own universe, which is yourself. I am, I need, I want. This is what you have to take in consideration. This is what you have to take in consideration. What are you? You see, the right surrounding is very important, and you have to choose them one by one. Why? Because of the law of gravity. The elements are attracted two by two. You start by the first one, and then everyone knows other people that knows other people. And if you choose compatible people to what you are, which will promote you instead of bad-mouthing you or competing with you, this is the center. I am, I need, I want. Three elements that you have to be very, very certain about. And this is what I'm going to teach. First of all, on Cruising 101, yourself that you need to surround. You have to start by the beginning, not by an image of something enviable or no. What's lovable about yourself? If I make you discover what you are, you'll do everything in a certain way. I mean, are you certain? Yes, I'm certain. This is stable. It eliminates the need or the desire to control everything, because like a heart, it beats because that's what it does. If you hire people that love doing what they do, you can't stop them from doing it. You don't have to watch what they're doing. You see? Some people complain I talk about all the time. Okay. So they're pushed away, they get exasperated and they leave. But then when they leave, since universe abhors emptiness, what's going to happen? It's going to attract the people that love what I'm doing. And the people which are looking for the information that I deliver by talking will be attracted to me because it's going to be doing them good to know what they are. And this answers the question when the people always have the same problems over and over again, the same situation over and over again, and they can't walk out, they don't want to walk out because they're frozen by fear, the terror barrier that is the invisible barrier that prevents you from going out of that door, going through that door to enter another situation that is more convenient for your growth. So this is the first lesson of Cruising 101. You. Before you need to find a surrounding, you have to know you. And if I want to be free, this is Bob Proctor's quoting that I'll never forget. If I want to be free, I have to be me. Not what the people think I should be, or trying to control and place me here. Know exactly, you go there, you go there, you go there. If I'm going to ask you a question, if the 60,000 billion cells of my body just roll down the floor like little balls, and my spirit would have to find out exactly where every one of these 60,000 billion cells belong, it's going to take how many billions of years to find out exactly the right combination to have me, that miracle of the nature, which we are, all of us. In fact, treat it like a company that closed for 2 weeks vacation. Okay? The door opens, the boss don't say, well, you're going to go there, you're going to go there, and you get 3,000 employees to place. No. The door opens, they say, well, place yourself where you normally do, where you're used to. You see, a heart beats because that's what it does. The kidney does what it does. The hand, the fingers, whatever, they all are doing what they are. The employees in the company, they're all at their place. You don't have to control. Why should you have to control things which are natural for people to do? It's like trying to stop me from speaking. Good luck. That's what I do all the time. And the information that I give is useful for some. And it does a lot of good for the people who do want to know those informations. It's like how to find the right surrounding. How do you find the right soulmate? These are things which are very precise. And precision loves, universe loves precision. And so do you. If you're certain about your choice, you'll never procrastinate. You'll just jump in the action and yoo-hoo, right? So this is what I'm teaching. So, see you next class. Love you all as you are.